You're watching How Leap. Let's find your comment history on Instagram. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Select your activity. On the Your Activity page, tap Comments. This will show you a complete scrollable list of every comment you have ever made on Instagram, from newest to oldest. You can use the search bar at the top to find comments on specific accounts or containing certain words. To delete a comment from this history, swipe left on it and tap the trash can icon. This history is private and only you can see it. There is no way to see a list of comments other users have made, only your own. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.